Hi, my name is Amy Hall and we are making a handbag. This is step 3, assembling materials. Keeping in mind that we're making a grocery tote, I'm going to use a really sturdy, durable fabric for the outside of the bag. This is a micro suede and you can tell that it has amykathryn print on it. So we'll use that for the outside. For the lining, I'm going to use a nice a light colored so you can see the inside of your bag. And this is a really sturdy, non-tear linen. It's a cotton linen that is great for the lining and for the pocket. Then I went to the store and got some webbing. This is going to be the easy handle that we're going to make. It's called webbing or belting. And then you'll need a fusible interfacing to iron on to the back of our fabric to make the bag a little bit more sturdy. Okay, now we need to get our equipment ready. So this is my sewing machine. It was my mom's when she got married, so it's a 1974 Morse, and it's my trusty machine. So you don't need anything fancy. We'll just do an easy straight stitch. Next is some fabric scissors, or regular scissors are fine. Also with this sewing machine you want to have some matching thread. And then from before in step 1 we have our design. Always keep this on hand. And our pocket pattern and also our large one-piece pattern for the tote. Going by our design and drawing, we wrote down that we need two 24-inch handles. So we just measure out with the webbing 24 inches and cut 2 pieces. Now you can see the end of this webbing, since it is cotton, can fray a little bit. I'm not going to worry about mine fraying because when we do sew it onto the bag, we just have a stitch so it can only fray up to there. Or you can take a match and just burn the end so that it doesn't fray. Lay out your printed fabric or the fabric that you're going to use for your bag, keeping in mind that if you do have a print, lay down your pattern piece according to where you want it on your bag. Once you have traced your pattern, cut right along the line that you've drawn, and don't forget to mark the middle of the bottom of the bag and the top of the bag with a little cut with your scissors. Now repeat the same process with your handbag lining and your fusible interfacing. So lay out your lining, use your same handbag pattern piece, trace it and cut it out, and do the same thing with the fusible interfacing. And one more thing to trace and cut is your pocket piece. So I'm using the same fabric as the lining, and I just placed my pattern piece on the fabric, trace and cut. Now take your interfacing, and you can kind of feel like the sticky side of the interfacing as opposed to the smooth side. So put that face towards the back side of your lining. Here's the cutout lining. And then you're going to take your iron and really just press hard. No steaming necessary, but just press hard and fuse the two together. Since you already have your iron out, just use it to press your pocket piece in half. So just fold it in half and give it a little press so that it's ready to sew. So now you have all your materials together. You have your pocket, you have your lining with the interface already fused on the back. You have your 2 handles, 24 inches, and you have your handbag material all cut out and ready to sew.